U.lab is an interdisciplinary innovation lab at UTS. It's where we explore projects with external partners and help them innovate in the real world.
What attracted us to U.lab was the ability to have a partner that would help us be challenged and find insights.
It gives them an insight into what the customers want.
Students can come from anywhere across the university and take part in our class.
Often at university, you're thrown together with like-minded individuals. You're all doing the same sort of subject, same masters, same major. With U.lab, it's very different.
This year we had students from the faculties of Engineering, IT, Business and Design.
The examples that are provided from people from all the way around the world just gives a huge boost of inspiration and allows the project to move different directions.
Normally, you have a teacher in front of you and he's talking and teaching you something and you're supposed to listen, but with this subject, you can create something.
We identified the problem and rapid prototyping, reiterating, going through, finding that gem which we're looking for.
GPT are facing the challenges of most of our peers, which is what do we do with space in the future if you can work from home or you can work from a cafe, if you can shop online. GPT is a 40-year-old property company. We do office, retail and logistics.
We had the opportunity to take the students to Melbourne and have a site visit at Melbourne Central where they got to interview people who were shopping, working or just passing through.
Melbourne Central is an interesting asset for us because it has both retail and office together. It has a tram, it has a train, it has a lot of people moving through it every year, about 40 million people every year.
The way it's designed is that they just filter out and there is no stickiness there that people can actually want to stay in Melbourne Central.
Using this information, they were able to create what we call a major insight. We had several presentations back to GPT.
Our CEO, Mike Cameron, was present and he got quite involved, really got a lot of people in the business talking about the opportunities that we have.
In the end, the students presented two rough prototypes. One for an online shopping app which enabled people to blend the best of the online shopping world with the physical experience. And the Future of Work team presented a prototype for an ecosystem that would allow people to communicate and collaborate. Students that undertake this kind of learning also undergo a personal revolution of some sort. You see them become really empowered.
U.lab is fun. I enjoy the fun that I have in U.lab. The lecturers, we call them the facilitators, they push us to think critically, to analyze, and the tools that we picked up, how to frame a problem, how to ask the right questions. I'm applying it to many of my other subjects.
Companies are increasingly looking for these hybrid people that have their core discipline as a base, but then on top of that they're able to work across disciplinary boundaries to collaborate to solve new innovation challenges.
It just boosted my confidence that I can do this if I put in the effort, if I think critically, if I analyze and if I follow the tools that have been offered in the course, I can go a long way.